Hi there, this is our Stankoimport IK62 lathe. It's a straight bed lathe, very heavy duty, rigid type of lathe, got a really wide bed here, very sturdy, older Russian lathe, 3-phase. It's generally all there. The fixed steady on it is missing the clamping plate on the bottom and the through bolt, and also it looks as though someone's modified it as well. They've ground the V and changed it around there, so it may need a little bit of work and tidying up. And the other thing I noticed is electrically the reverse solenoid and the fuse box, the two wires have been disconnected for some reason, so I haven't bothered reconnecting them and trying to find the fault there, so it's not working in reverse. Apart from that, it's pretty good. It's a little bit noisy in the headstock, just sort of generally. Coolant pump's working, although I haven't got fluid in it. Yeah, so it does have some good features. It's got the 4-way rapid on it and the headstock clutches and brake, etc. So we'll run you through things starting from this end. So it's got the big 5MT taper and looks good inside there, and there's a little bit of a score mark, not much, on the outside. It's moving nicely, that clamp feels good. So does that. So the tailstock feels nice. Carriage is nice and smooth to operate. So is the cross slide. A little bit of play in there, but not much. Compound slide feels a little bit stiff to turn, and there is a little bit of play in there around this area by the look of it. You've got the control here for your stop and start. Yeah, so those operations just by hand are good. It has got a light that someone's fitted. They've written there 24 volt. It doesn't have a bulb in it. I haven't tried that, but I assume that'll work with a bulb in it. Okay, we'll start it up. I've got it on a low range there, and I'll run you through the feeds. That's the wee piston pump ticking over that they have on these. So that's in the lower range, and I've got the lead screw going there. So I'm just changing the speeds of that lead screw, and it's switching to the feed shaft. It seems to be working there. That's disengaging it. Different speeds and changing the direction. We'll engage that, so it's going that way now. And I'll reverse that direction. Oops. And that's engaged, coming towards me now. It has also got a wee knob that you pull out, which disengages this front wheel for when it's on the rapid. I should show you the rapid actually. So that's the lead screw there. I will show you that rapid working. So it's got the joystick, so going left. It's really nice and smooth to operate. Feels really good. Coming towards me. Now bringing the cross slide towards you. Now away from you. Yeah, so the rapid's a real dream to operate. Okay, we'll start it back up again. Okay, so that was the lead shaft there. Put that in the other direction. Now that's the feed shaft going. And I'll just push it on the joystick, so that's heading that way at the moment. Neutral, feeding back towards me. Now cross slide coming back out towards you on the feed, and away from you. So those are the feeds there and the lead screw. So I'll run you through the speed range. You know, there's a bit of an art in changing the speeds on these older machines, but I think it's all pretty normal. The thing that I did notice though is you've got your main speed range here and then your finer adjustments here, and they've got a little telltale that lines up with the rectangular gaps there for seeing your speed. So for instance, it's in line exactly at the moment, but it does get out of line in there. I haven't had a look at it, but it's a bit sloppy with that little register of the number of the speed that it's on, so someone may need to take that off and just tidy that little part up. So we are in a low range at the moment. It's another speed, another one, another one, another one, another one. So those are those low range speeds. So now we'll put it into the 50 to 160 range. I think that's at about 125 there. 160. 63, I think. Yeah. And 100. And 80. And 50. We'll take you through now to the mid-range. So 200. It is lining up that count, you can read that. 500. 630. 250. 400. And last one, 315. Okay, we'll take you through to the fast range. So that's at 1000. 630. 1600. 2000. That's its fastest speed. 800. And last one coming up, which will be 1250. So that's the gear range. Good solid lathe that'll go forever. They are really built strong and rigid. And yeah, that is pretty much